AirTalk wireless voicemail lockouts occur when you enter the wrong PIN too many times, typically 3 to 5 attempts. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to your messages. The PIN is a numeric code, usually 4 to 8 digits, that you set to protect your voicemail. When locked, you'll need a PUK or personal unblocking key to reset it. AirTalk, like many carriers, uses SIM card technology and GSM networks where SIM locks are standard for prepaid plans. Avoid common PINs like 0000 to enhance security. The recent increase in SIM swap fraud has led to stricter security measures like PIN attempt limits. To unlock your AirTalk wireless voicemail, contact AirTalk support. Verify your account with the last 4 digits of your SSN or account number. They will provide your PUK, an 8-digit code that unlocks the SIM without data loss. AirTalk introduced an online portal in mid-2025 for PIN resets, reducing reliance on live support calls. If you don't reset your voicemail after unlocking with the PUK, the voicemail will remain locked. Digital verification methods are effective, as seen in user case studies. Contacting support via the app can yield a PUK in as little as 12 hours. Be aware that DIY resets can void warranties or erase data, so contacting AirTalk support is recommended. Always contact AirTalk support for safe voicemail unlocking.